How to fix no Nvidia GPU is detected on your system. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no Nvidia GPU is detected on your system. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the search bar and type for device manager. And once you click so, you'll be redirected to your device manager. And here you gotta click on action. So once you click on action, you got to click on scan for hardware changes, and then after that it will be scanned. So once done, what you got to do is click on action again and click on add legacy hardware, and here you got to click on next. So once you click on next, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You got to click on install the hardware manually and click on next, and here you got to just select display adapters and then click on next. And then over here you'll be able to see a couple of options. At the left side, you got to click on Microsoft, and then you got to click on Microsoft remote display adapter on the right. Click on next, and after that what you got to do is just click on next again. And once you see that it is done, you can just click on finish. So once done, what you got to do is select your specific Nvidia GPU adapter, and then you gotta right click on that GPU adapter, that is Nvidia in our case. So what you gotta do is just right click on that specific Nvidia adapter, and then you gotta click on update driver, and then you can either browse from your computer for drivers and other stuff. And once done, you'll be able to see that you'll be able to fix the Nvidia GPU is detected problem. However, if the issue is still there, you gotta go to your settings, and then you can try updating your software, and your issue would be resolved. So that was how you can fix no Nvidia GPU is detected on your system. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.